also figured out, so I went and reverse engineered the one of the files, the G-code files, to get and spend some time looking through listings of G-code values and what they mean, things like that. And I got this height map. It's put together 4 different pieces. Black divider, meaning that there will be a low section in between them. So I generated G-code to do these 4 sections. It's currently running. So we'll see how it turns out. Right now it looks like it's doing pretty well. But yeah, if this works, there's some real potential here.